How to add a second track to Lego 7822 railway station from the grey 12-volt era. Step 1. Get yourself 3 2x8 plates, 4 2x4 plates, 1 2x6 plate, preferably red fences, all 4 red fences, and 4 1x1 bricks. If you want, you can also add some tiles, and please do get yourself a different color 2x1 plate in yellow or in red, so it's easy to know which one is which. Step 1. Grab yourself your 3 plates that are 2x8 and your 4 2x4 plates. Once you got those plates, grab yourself your 2x4 plate and put it underneath one of the 2x8 plates, like this. Repeat this step 3 times. Make sure they are all facing the same direction. And flip them around so they are on the back side. And you have the anti-studs on top. Grab yourself your 2x4 plates and put it in the middle of those 3 2x8 plates, but not underneath the 2x4 plates, like I have shown here. And you will have yourself a gray plate. Then grab yourself your 2x6 plate and put it here. On the end of the 2x8 plates. We have something that looks a little bit like that. Next, go to your station. Take off the bridge. Please leave the stairs. Grab the bridge and put the newly crafted plate underneath, like I will show here. Next, rotate it like this. Remove this piece and put it here. Remove this piece and put it here. Remove this piece and put it here. Grab yourself your fence and put one here. And also put one here. Remove this piece, the fence over here, and place it back here. If you have black fences and red fences in mix, do this and place one black fence over here and one on the other side. Now it's not symmetrical. Remove this piece and place this piece one to the right and this piece one to the right, and place it back in the hole. Grab yourself your 1x2 bricks in black, and this is an optional step. Grab yourself them and put them in the corners if you want. I like to do this step because it is nicer if I look at it. Now you should have your bridge look something like this. Yes, there are plates underneath. Grab your station. Remove this brick and lift it up. Remove this brick, lift it up. And lift up this whole section of the station. Once you did it, go to this side and take out the plate. Remove the station. And grab yourself the plate and two 1x2 plates in yellow. And make a shape like this. Put them in place of the missing plate here. You can rotate the piece however you want. Next up, go to the other side of the station. And remove this plate and these two plates. Take off this side of the platform. Please take off the steps first, otherwise you can break them. Grab yourself your platform and add two 1x2 plates under here like we did there. Place them here at the at this piece and rotate your whole platform and do this at this piece as well. Do this so it looks just a bit like this. There and there. Next up, grab yourself your piece that has the rails. Like this. And take off these 1x2 plates. And these 1x2 plates. Or I mean 2x2 plates. Like I did right here. Next up, take a temporary plate that is in a totally different color. I use a green plate here. And take off the rails at this side. Like I have done over here. Next up, grab yourself your rails and count 1, 2, 3 empty studs from your plate. And push your rails down. Grab yourself one of your 2x2 tires and place them over here. Remove your temporary plate and rotate the rail piece. Again, grab yourself your one temporary plate and remove the rails. I placed the plate at the wrong side. You need to place it on the left side this time. Take off the rail. Now place it a bit forward and not push it down, but count 4 studs, 4 empty studs to the right. 4 studs. Push your rails back 2 plates so they are hanging off here. 4 studs here and 2 plates and make it so they are hanging off right here. Push it down firmly. Remove your temporary plate. You don't need this anymore. Grab yourself one of your 2x2 plates without studs on top and place them in the middle here. Grab yourself 3 pieces of track. My pieces are without a center rail. And place them next to the other pieces of track, 2 against the plate. And push them down. grab yourself grab yourself 4 plates that are 2 by 2 and red, and place them like I show here. The middle one was there already, and here also. If you got some black or red plates that don't have any studs on them, like I have here, I don't have enough, so I won't put these on. But you can put 1 plate here, 1 plate here, 1 plate here, 1 plate here. And also repeat that on this side. I won't do that. So it looks a bit nicer without these studs. Grab yourself this plate and put it in the middle. This is purely for stability. Grab yourself your big part of the station back and put it so the ladder is on top of one of the plates. Like I have here. 2 studs and 2 studs over here. Next up, grab yourself the other part of the station and make sure it is like that piece over there. One there and repeat that over here. If you knocked over the seats, you can simply rebuild these seats. Next up, place your stairs back in, like I have done over here. Next up, go to a different side of you and grab yourself your bridge. Beautiful bridge, I know. Grab yourself these 1 by 2s pillars and put them over here and repeat that on the other side, because our bridge is a bit too long. If it doesn't fit, remove this plate and put it to the back of the fence. So it's on the back side, like here. Or move it to here. Next up, place back your bridge on top of the station. So it looks like this. If you want, you can tile this floor, however, you don't have to do it. If you see a gap like here, like this here, you have to push it in firmly. And then you're done. Your station now has 2 tracks. You can add a switch if you want to add a second way to get into the station. I have my switch over here, but it's not working, so I will have to grab another switch really quick. Here I have my switch. Place it at the back of the station or at the front, like this. Now you can have 1 train parked here and 1 train running here. Or do whatever you want and do some shunting. Thanks for watching. If you want, you can join my Discord and ask some questions over there. I will be answering your questions in the comment section too. If you loved this video or find it helpful, please make sure to subscribe or like the video to help me reach more people in the algorithm of YouTube. I'm a small content creator that is trying to grow on YouTube. If you like this video, drop it a like, and if you want, you can share it with other creators or watchers. Thanks for watching.